In this video, I'm going to explain about the site hierarchy and also its configuration in Cisco SD-Access. Assume that we have a company. This company has some branches in the Europe and also in the United States. For example, in Europe, we have one branch in the United Kingdom, and also in the United States, we have two branches in the California and in San Francisco and San Jose. As you can see, in London, we have one building. In San Francisco, we have other building, and in San Jose, we have two buildings. And as you can see here, we have two floors in the building of London, two floors in the building of San Francisco, and two buildings again in the first building of San Jose, and one other floor in the next building of the San Jose. Actually, you can configure, you can show all of these branches, okay, in your map in the Cisco DNA Center. It can give you a graphical representation about the branches. Actually, the Cisco DNA Center Graphical User Interface, or GUI, is designed to show network operators a geographical representation of their network on a map. They can then drill down into this representation to view the network at a more granular level. Let me to show you, and after that we use this table for configuring our site hierarchy. We will use this site hierarchy in future videos. Let's log into the Cisco DNA Center, okay? And after that, we will see the site design and layout. You know that companies like the networks that enable them come in all different shapes and size and span many types of geographic area. Okay, some companies are global and are segmented by continent or country, while other companies are national or local and might be segmented by region or city. Okay, a network management and monitoring tool must have the flexibility to allow users to define exactly how their network is laid out and displayed in the tool. Cisco DNA Center provides the design tool for this purpose. As you can see, this is the dashboard of Cisco DNA Center. We need to go to the design menu. When you click in design menu, the first item is network hierarchy. Okay, we need to use this tool. Actually, the design tool is where many of the day zero tasks are performed, starting with defining the layout and visualization of the network in the network hierarchy. Okay, let me to click on it. This section enables users to define their network hierarchy in a custom way based on how the company is laid out, using the hierarchical elements area, for example, building and also floors. I will show you. Here you can see we have the map of world. Okay, and as you can see, we are in the site hierarchy, we are in global. Actually, it means that our site, our company doesn't have any hierarchy until now. Now, let me to define this hierarchy. You know that we are in the global. Okay, let me to go one step further. Area level 1. For example, it can be the continent or it can be the country. Okay, we have two area level 1. Okay, you can click here at site, or you can click here. Let me to click it here. Look at here. When you click here, you can see, or when you keep the mouse button here, you can see the add area. Okay, mouse pointer, add area, and click on the add area. After some second, you will see this page, add area. Area contains other areas and or building. Building contains floors and floor plans. I will show you. First, we will configure area, and then building, and then floor. area name, what is our area name? You know, look at here. Our area name is Europe. Let me write here. This is the area name, okay? And as you can see, the parent of this area is global. It means that many features, when you enable on the parent, they are automatically applied to the child. Don't worry about the detail now. Now we are actually trying to learn how we can configure the site hierarchy. What are the options? Here we have other options and we will see them in future. For now, area name is Europe and parent is global. Let me to add it. That's it. And as you can see here, we have some pop-up menu successfully. Actually, this is created. Now we have one area. Also, we need to have another area. Okay, the next area name is United States. Okay, let me to copy it. And then again in global, because the parent of United States is global again. Let me to add area. And the area name is the United States. And again, add it. Now we have, if you say global is level 0, okay, the Europe and United States are level 1. They are childs of global. Global is parent. After that, the next level, the area level 2. For example, in Europe, we want to configure area level 2 with the name of a country, United Kingdom. Okay, click, copy, and then here we need to go to the Europe and then click here. Again, we have add area. Click on add area. And again, the name of the area now is United Kingdom. As you can see now, the parent is Europe and means global Europe. Actually, Europe in global. Okay, add it. And after that, now we have this hierarchy. Assume that your company has some campus, some lands in different places of the world, different countries, different continents. You are creating this hierarchy now. Okay, now, as you can see, now under the Europe, we have United Kingdom. And the next is California, okay, in the United States. Copy. And then here, we can click here. Look at here, it's important to know that we need to, for example, click on this option or take the mouse pointer here, okay, not here on global. And after that, let me to add area. Which area? This area, California, under the parent of United States under global. Okay, and then add. This is our hierarchy here, successfully site added. And here you can see that California is under the United States. And the next level, area level 3 is the name of, for example, a city, London, okay? This is your design. Copy under the United Kingdom. Again, here, add area, okay? And area name is London, under the parent of United Kingdom, global, United Kingdom, under the global Europe, okay? Add it. And after that, the next, this is the, under the California, okay, we have two area level 3, San Francisco, two cities actually, San Francisco and San Jose. Copy, and then here, California, add area, we are creating our hierarchy. You can understand it. It is very interesting, okay? And then here now we have it also. Let me to show you. Yes, San Francisco. And after that, finally, San Jose. Copy. This is the same level area. Because of that, again, we need to click here and add area. And then the San Jose add. Actually, we can say area level 1, level 2, and now they actually level 3. All right. And the next is the building. Look at here, building. In London, we have only one building. The name of this building is LOC01 or location 01. In San Francisco, one building. In San Jose, two buildings. Okay, let me to configure them. Location 01, copy under the London. And then London here. you can use add building. When you click on an add area, you will see only one option, what is the name of the area. But when you click on the add building, you will see this actually page. In this page, you have more options because you want to define the building location according to latitude or longitude. Or if you want, you can configure, you can write here the address of that. It is important because we will see this location in this map. Building name. My building name is LOC01 under the parent of London here. Now you can write the address of it here, but let me to show you this note. The recommendations provides are not complete list of all the addresses in the world. If the address is not found, click on the map to select the right location. You can click here, find your location. And maybe the easier way is configuring latitude and longitude. Okay? How I can find the latitude or longitude of the building? Easy. You have many sites. You can find many sites in the internet. For example, this site, any other sites. Okay. And here, type a place name. Okay. Then place name is London. Please find the latitude and longitude. Okay. Here you can see. And if you want, you can, for example, move this icon to other places. It will give you the latitude and longitude. Okay, because of that, it is very easy to find the location. And here in the Cisco DNA Center, I have these values in my text file. Okay, I will give you, for example, about the London. This is the latitude. We can copy it. Okay, and paste it here. And also, this is the longitude. Again, copy and paste it here. Okay, let me to add it. What is happening? It's very interesting. You will see this icon here. Actually, now we have building with the name of location 01 in the map. Interesting, okay? And after that, the next building is SFC01 in San Francisco. Let me to add it. We need to go to the San Francisco and then add building. Now you can understand what is the difference between the add building page and add area page. Building name is SFC01 and latitude is about the San Francisco. For example, this can be good. And copy, you need to find the exact location of your company in the map, okay? And after that, this is the longitude. Easy, copy and paste. And after that, the next is as you can see here, now we have this location. And the next is the San Jose. In San Jose, we have two buildings, SJC04, copy. And then, as you can see here in San Jose, we need to add the building 2 times. First SGC04 and about the actually longitude and latitude here, the first copy and then paste it here. And after that, the next longitude, again copy and paste. Okay. And then add it. This is the first building in the San Jose. And we have other building in the San Jose. Okay, here if you want, you can use these options for see better. And after that, look at here, we have these locations in the map. And after that, again, here in California, we have, until now, we have 2 locations. First in the San Francisco and second in the San Jose. Okay, look at here, in San Jose, now in San Francisco, yes, we have 1 building, SFC01, and in San Jose also we have 1 building. But we need to add the next building, SJC05, okay, copy, in San Jose again, add building, and after that, building name, and then finally the longitude and latitude first, and then longitude. Okay, this is copy, and then here the next copy. Until now we configured up to building, but you know that in each building we can have multiple floors. Okay, because of that, here As you can see, in building 01, location 01 in London, we have 2 floors. Let me to show you what options are available in the floor. LOC01, floor 1. Okay, copy it. Then we need to go to the London, to the LOC01, and I want to add, this is building, I want to add a floor. Look at here, edit building, delete building, add floor. It is okay. Add floor. And the options are, first, floor name. Floor name is the LOC01 floor 1. And here you can see the parent is LOC01. It's okay. About the type, we have different types of actually floor. Cubes and vault offices, or the dry wall office only, free space, indoor high ceiling, and outdoor open source. These 2 figures can show us the cubes and vault offices. And in these photos here, we can see dry wall offices only. And also in this photo, we can see a free space office. The next place type is indoor high ceiling. You can see in this photo the high ceiling. And finally, this photo can show us outdoor open space, for example, office or workplace. Actually, we need to choose one of these types for our floor. All right, about the location 01 floor 1, this is the floor name. The type can be cubes and vault offices, and you know that here we have other options, and the floor number is 1, okay, and floor type is medium floor. Again, here you have some options. They are related to the RF frequency, and you can configure the thickness. About the floor image, you can upload the image or the plan of floor. Okay, it can helpful to because we can use it for visualize the floor plan. Let me to show you, for example, let me to upload file, and for this floor I'm going to use this map. Okay, and then if you want, you can configure the other parameters, width and then length and then height, anything. Okay, let me to add it here. And after some second, you can see our floor. Okay, you know that we configure this floor for location 01 under the London. Let me to show you LOC01 floor. And when you click on it, you can see the floor plan. Okay. And after that, the next is the actually location 01 floor 2. Let me to copy it again in London. You know that we are creating the structure of our company now, hierarchical actually topology. And again, under the LOC01, I want to add floor, okay, LOC01, and then add floor, okay. And after that, here, the name is the LOC01 floor 2. Let me to choose other type, dry wall office only. Okay, and if you want, you can configure floor number, thickness, medium floor, and also again I'm going to upload one file for the plan dry wall offices only plan, and other parameters also can configure, but let me to add it here. And after some second, we will have the second, as you can see here, second map. This is the map of floor 1, and this is the map of floor 2. All right. And the next is the, as you can see, we have these floors in the San Francisco SFC01. Here we need to go to the SFC01. This is our building, and then add floor and floor name. You know that the floor name is mandatory, and then the type is mandatory. The floor number is mandatory. You can see the red asterisks here. Thickness, floor type, all of them are mandatory, but floor image is not mandatory. Okay. And let me to add it here. SFC, are you sure you want to proceed without image? Yes, for now, yes, but you can add it in future. This is for SFC01, the first floor, and also the next floor, add floor again. You don't need to click on it, okay? You need to click on add floor. And after that, the floor name is the SFC floor 2, and again, add it, yes, okay? And after that, in San Jose, okay, we have also 2 floors in the branch 1 SJC04 in building 1, building 04 maybe. And here again in this building, I want to add 2 floors. And here this is the floor name, floor 1, and other things are default, add. And also we have floor 2. As you can see, it is very easy to configure this hierarchical structure. And after that, again here, and then add floor, and the next floor is the floor 2. And finally here, for the last location, for the last building, we have 1 floor. The number 5 building of San Jose, here, again here, and then add floor. And after that, the floor name, you can configure other parameters for it. Now you can decide hierarchy, and we will use it. For example, we will add our devices to this site hierarchy. Because of that, you need to create it. Actually, this section uses an international company as an example. Okay, suppose that this company is a global company with locations. Here you can see its locations. Okay, with locations in most countries around the world. In the Cisco DNA Center design tool, an operator could define within default global site, as you can see here, okay, areas for each of the continental regions in which the company has locations. And within each continental area, the network operator can define areas for each country. Okay, and taking it one step further, company has many offices in many cities in the, for example, United States, in other countries. So the network operator could define more granular sub areas, okay, based on the, for example, cities. After designing a city, the next most specific element in the design tool is a building. And whereas areas and sub-areas in Cisco DNA Center are broad geographical locations that do not have physical addresses, as I showed you, when we configure a building must represent an existing physical location, as you can see in the figure. Okay? When defining a building in the design tool, as you can see here, okay, actually an actual address or latitude, longitude pair is required, I showed you. And when the network operator enters this information, the map on the screen automatically zooms into where the building is located, like this. Okay. At the Cisco system headquarters, for example, in San Jose, California, the campus has many buildings that are numbered and lettered as per the Cisco corporate naming standard. For example, number 1, number 2, number 3, any name policy. And finally, the last and most granular element in the design tool is floor. At the floor level, as I showed you of the network hierarchy section, the network operator can import a JPEG or AutoCAD drawing of the floors. I showed you. Or wireless heat map from Cisco Prime Infrastructure. Let me to show you again. This is the, for example, add floor. Here we have many options. As you can see, we have type, we have floor number, floor type, and then floor image. And also we have other options in the floor. Look at here, when you click here, we have these options. Edit floor, view attributes, and then CMX server, Cisco Spaces, and other options. Actually, here, the network operator can import JPEG or AutoCAD drawing of the floors or wireless heat maps from Cisco Prime Infrastructure or Cisco Connected Mobile Experience or CMX. Don't worry about the detail of this now. Okay, CMX server, as you can see. This gives the operator an accurate visualization of each floor of the network along with wireless coverage. Very interesting. And finally, let me to inform you that having an accurate representation of a company's geographical hierarchy allows for more specific standards or configuration parameters for each area to be used if required. Very important. If, for example, a specific version of Cisco IOS XE, okay, is required for a particular country or region that is different than the global standard, the user could specify this version at the golden image for that particular country and every element underneath it. Okay, it's important. Actually, we can say one of the first things that we should configure in our Cisco DNA Center is the site hierarchy. As you can see here in the design menu, the first option is network hierarchy, and now we know about it. Let me to explain about the network setting in the next video. First, now it's your turn. You need to configure the site hierarchy, and after that, please come with me to the next video. I want to explain about the next option of design menu, the network setting. And also don't forget, here also we have the option of add site. Let me to show you. For example, if you click add site here, look at here, add site, you have these options: add area, add building, add floor. Or when you are in the building, location 01, look at here, we have these options. Again, add area, add building, add floor. Also, we have options for import and also export. Here, you can find sites. If you want, you can search the site name. Let me to use SJC, okay, 04. Okay, that's it. You can find your site, okay, your location between many locations. Okay, because of that, now we know about the Cisco Catalyst Center or Cisco DNA Center a little more. You know that the newer name of Cisco DNA Center now is Cisco Catalyst Center or Catalyst Center. Okay, actually, in future versions, you will see the new name Cisco Catalyst Center, but if you say Cisco DNA Center, both of them are correct. Also, if you go to the network snapshot section of the Cisco DNA Center dashboard in sites, actually section here, in site, you can see that we have 18 sites. Okay, 18 sites. Why? Let me to show you. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, because of that, now we can configure site hierarchy in Cisco DNA Center.